With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have a table where they have given us the birth rate and the death rate for 4 different countries. Now, according to these figures, we have to identify which of these countries will have the least or the smallest population growth rate. Now, we all know that the density of population is not something that is going to remain static or is going to remain stationary, and there are many factors which result in fluctuation in population density. Now, out of these, the 2 most important factors under normal conditions are birth, that is natality, and death, that is mortality. And these births and deaths are not considered in the form of absolute numbers. Instead, what are we going to do? We generally consider the relative birth and death rate. That is, we are going to consider the deaths that are taking place per capita in a given time period, per unit time. So basically, here we are talking about the birth rate and the death rate rather than the birth or the death. So that is why they have given us the birth and death rate per 1,000 individuals, which is generally done for human populations. That is the convention. And whether this population is going to grow or it is going to decline, we can find out by using both these figures. How? Because the population growth takes place because of a factor known as R, and this is the intrinsic rate of natural increase. What do we mean by this? We calculate R by subtracting the death rate from the birth rate. B minus D will give us R, and if R is more, then population is going to increase rapidly. If R is less, then population growth will not be that much. So the growth in population density will be in accordance with R. So we are going to find out for which of these countries, P, Q, R and S, B minus D is coming out to be the least. So over here for P country, B minus D is coming out to be 15 minus 5, 10. Then over here 25 minus 10, 15. Then here we have 35 minus 18, 17. And in country S we are finding 48 minus 41, 7. So if R is more, population growth will be more. If R is less, population growth will be less. And we have to find out the country with the least population growth. So over here, the smallest value of R is coming out to be for S, where birth rate is 48, death rate is 41, and their difference is 7. So our correct answer will be option D. For the country S, the population will grow the slowest, or the growth rate is the least, because the value of R is coming out to be least out of these 4 options.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.